Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and we're diving into the thrilling world of FPV drones with the DJI FPV. The DJI FPV combines high-speed performance with immersive flight experiences, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. With a top speed of 87 miles per hour and 3 distinct flight modes, normal, sport, and manual, you can tailor your flying experience to match your skill level. The 4K camera, equipped with rock-steady stabilization, ensures stunning, smooth footage even during intense maneuvers. Safety features like obstacle detection and an emergency brake and hover function add peace of mind while flying. Whether you're looking to capture breathtaking visuals or simply enjoy the adrenaline rush, the DJI FPV delivers on all fronts. If you want more information about this drone, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Let's start by talking about the design and build quality. The DJI FPV sports a sleek, aerodynamic design that's as functional as it is eye-catching. The body of the drone is crafted from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the inevitable bumps and scrapes that come with high-speed flying. DJI has clearly put a lot of thought into making this drone not just a performance machine, but a piece of tech that looks and feels premium. The drone's streamlined appearance is complemented by LED lights that can be customized, adding a personal touch to your flying experience. And when it comes to portability, the DJI FPV is relatively compact, making it easy to transport for those spontaneous outdoor flights. Now, let's move on to the flight performance, which is arguably the most exciting aspect of the DJI FPV. This drone is an absolute beast in the sky, boasting a top speed of up to 140 km per hour. That's faster than most consumer drones on the market, and it's perfect for adrenaline junkies who crave high-speed thrills. But speed isn't the only thing this drone has going for it. The DJI FPV is equipped with 3 distinct flight modes, N, S, and M. N mode offers a more traditional drone flying experience, perfect for beginners or those looking to capture smooth, cinematic footage. S mode ramps up the speed and agility, offering a more dynamic flying experience, while manual mode gives you complete control over the drone's movements, allowing for advanced maneuvers and acrobatics. It's in M mode that the DJI FPV truly shines, providing the freedom to perform rolls, flips, and dives with ease. The learning curve might be steep for newcomers, but the payoff is worth it. Of course, no drone is complete without a stellar camera, and the DJI FPV does not disappoint. It's equipped with a 12-megapixel camera capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second. The footage captured is nothing short of spectacular. Vivid colors, sharp details, and smooth motion make every flight an opportunity to create stunning visuals. Whether you're soaring over a scenic landscape, weaving through trees, or capturing fast-paced action shots, the DJI FPV's camera delivers high-quality results. What's more, DJI's rock-steady stabilization technology ensures that your footage remains stable and jitter-free, even during the most intense maneuvers. This is a huge plus for content creators and filmmakers who demand top-tier video quality from their equipment. But flying at high speeds and performing daring tricks comes with risks, and that's where the DJI FPV's safety features come into play. This drone is equipped with forward and downward obstacle detection, which provides an extra layer of security, especially when flying in complex environments. The drone will alert you to potential obstacles in its path, giving you the chance to adjust your flight path and avoid collisions. In addition to obstacle detection, the DJI FPV features an emergency brake and hover function. If you ever feel like you're losing control, a quick press of a button will bring the drone to an immediate stop, hovering in place until you're ready to resume your flight. This feature is particularly reassuring for beginners who are still getting the hang of FPV flying. The DJI FPV isn't just about high-octane flying. It's also designed to be user-friendly. The included FPV goggles provide a fully immersive experience, with a crystal-clear, low-latency video feed that makes you feel like you're right in the cockpit. The controls are intuitive and responsive, allowing you to execute precise maneuvers with confidence. Even if you're new to FPV flying, DJI has made it easy to get started with their tutorial modes and comprehensive user manual. In conclusion, the DJI FPV is an incredible piece of technology that offers an unmatched FPV experience. With its powerful performance, advanced camera system, and robust safety features, it's a drone that caters to both thrill seekers and content creators alike. Whether you're looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage or simply enjoy the thrill of high-speed flying, the DJI FPV is well worth considering. And this is the review of DJI FPV. If you're interested in this drone, check out the link in the description below for more information. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.